Packout guy. Look what I just picked up. This is a Milwaukee Packout socket set with 1/4 inch and 3/8 drives. And they come right out. You can take them to whatever you're working on. And the best thing is, this goes right with my other Packout stuff in my truck. Locked in, ready to go.